We have practiced electron dot structures previously. Recall that we need to know two things in order to write electron dot structures for elements, and that is we need to know what chemical symbol they have and how many valence electrons they have. Recall that the rule for electron dot structure creation is that we're going to use dots to represent the valence electrons, and we're going to place the valence electron number of dots around the chemical symbol. We're going to place them so that each side, top, bottom, left, right, has one valence electron before we start doubling. So when we look at sodium symbol, I've given it to you, big N, little a, and then it's in group 1A, so it has one valence electron. So we're going to just place one dot to represent the valence electron. When we look at the cation form, remember 1A elements lose their electron, their valence electron, and so it will no longer have any dots around it. However, we do need to acknowledge that it has a 1+ charge now. So when we do the electron dot structures for cations, they're all going to be naked, and then we're just going to add their charge. When we look at chlorine, so chlorine is a nonmetal, so they are going to gain. Chlorine symbol is big C, little l, and it's in group 7A, so it has 7 valence electrons. So we're going to show that by putting 7 dots. I'm going to make them a little bit bigger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there is our chlorine atom. We know that it's going to gain when it becomes ionized. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and, I'm going to go ahead and start where we left off here, drawing it exactly as we had it. Okay, so that's how many it started with. And we know that it's going to gain 1. So I am going to have to show that it gained 1. And I'm also going to have to show that by showing its charge. So that's what a chlorine anion would look like in its electron dot structure formation. Notice that the number gained is the charge that the ion has. And same way with the cations. The number lost is the number on the charge for the cation.